Hey, welcome guys. In this video I'm going to teach you 4 ways on how to find your computer specs. We'll start with the most basic methods in Windows 10, and the most basic methods provides the least amount of information, but we'll start with there. So the first thing I'm going to do is in the bottom left is hit the Windows button and start typing about. And if you open it, about your PC, you'll have some basic information listed here. I'm running an Intel Core i7 processor with 32 gigs of RAM. The ways displayed here might depend on which version of Windows 10 you're on. I'm on version 1803. As this video gets older, newer versions of Windows 10 come out. So you can find similar information by again hitting the Windows button in the bottom left. Just hit PC and then you have this PC. If you open it up, everyone's very familiar with this view. If you go to computer at the top and then properties, same information. Your processor speed as well as the amount of RAM. Now, if you want a little bit more information, you hit the Windows button in the bottom left again, and you start typing system information, which generates the result, system information. So if you open that, it has slightly more information here, the same processor information. But if you go down a little bit, it has information about which BIOS version I'm running, who is my motherboard manufacturer, which is Asus in this example, RAM information down here. And there's some other information on the left over here, but some of it's extremely complicated. And we can kind of skip past that. The last method is actually a free tool to download with no ads. I think it's been around for about 10 years and I've always used it. It's always been reliable. A lot of people know it as CPU ID or CPU Z. So I'll put a link to it in the video description so you guys can download it. So if you double click and open it, give it permission, it does a quick scan of your hardware specs. And then it gives you much more detailed information. So here's even deeper information about my processor speed. It's of the Haswell chipset family. Go to cache, there's cache information. Go to mainboard, which is the motherboard. Again, I know it's an Asus motherboard. What kind of data it has in terms of the processor compatibility. If you go to memory, which is RAM, I'm running DDR3 type RAM with 32 gigs. And if you continue on, it has information about which slot is running what. Graphics is my video card, and it tells me that, hey, I'm running NVIDIA GTX 1080, and as well as the spec breakdown for that graphic card. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, be sure to check out my social links in the video description. Hit that like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.